What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you a cool trick. So, I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's like when you rub your fingers around the top of a wine glass, like that, and it makes a sound. So, first what you do is, like, you can just get your fingers wet, um, and with no water in it, like this. That works. Here, give me a second. That works, but if you want to see a cool thing, like watching the water vibrate, you fill it up, like, the more and less you fill it up, like it changes the pitch of it. So it's like that. If you fill it up more, it's like almost to the top. It sounds like this. The water vibrates. It's really weird. It's hard to explain what the water looks like. You just have to try it for yourself. But it's like I don't know. It's like yeah, it's best when you can get it really concentrated. And I find it best when it's like halfway like this. So dip your finger and get it wet. Just very lightly rub it around the top. And just push, just barely, just a tiny bit. Yeah. But yeah, you can do these with different wine glasses. Yeah, that's how I make a cool sound with wine glass. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.